This machine is the seated row. This is one of, if not the most important exercise for the upper body. The seated row works the muscles in the middle upper back, mid and lower trapezius and rhomboids. These muscles are extremely important because they help in stabilizing our scapula or shoulder girdle. For a lot of people, because of their day-to-day posture, whether it be work, sitting in the car, sitting on the lounge, these muscles need a little bit more focus in their training program. The application for these to the real world, when people are picking things up, all the muscles that we use in the seated row action are muscles that are extremely important. So the setup. When setting the seated row up, we want to adjust the seat position. We want it to be in such a position so that when the forearm reaches our torso, it intersects at around 90 degrees. So we can lift the handle just down to the left-hand side here, putting ourselves into our correct starting position. We also want to adjust the chest pad. Because of the hydraulic system, this can be done whilst we're in a seated position. That wants to be positioned so that when we reach the handles, we are at just a moderate stretch. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to hold the handles in the lower position here with the palms facing up. Placing my feet. My chin is up or neutral. My chest is high and my stomach is braced. I initiate the movement from my back, pulling my shoulders down out of my ears and pulling my elbows through to the side of the torso. I can control back down to my starting position. Gentle stretch, shoulders down out of the ears as the elbows pull through to the side of the torso. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Some of the common mistakes that people make on this machine. We quite often see people, they will pull with the bicep, but they'll forget to engage the muscles around the shoulder girdle, that mid and lower trapezius. So, for these people, we want to make sure we encourage the shoulders are down as we pull the elbows through to the side. What we also see with people on here is as they pull through, they try and pull with too much bicep and forget about their back. So as they pull through at the handles, the elbows will flare out wide. We want to try and avoid that. Keep the elbows, as we pull through, coming in nice and tight so we open up through the chest. The final thing, when engaging through the back, we want to make sure we engage the shoulder girdle muscles and avoid any extension through the spine to achieve this. To create a balanced program, the opposite action to this would be doing a chest press. But on this machine, we do have different variations. You'll see that there's a handle across top here. Now I say variation. It is actually a different recruitment of muscles that we're looking to achieve. When holding on to the upper handle here, we're looking to decrease the amount of latissimus or lats, and we're looking to focus into more of the posterior or rear shoulder. So once again, chin is up, chest is high, stomach is braced. We squeeze our shoulders down out of our ears, bringing our elbows back just below the line of the shoulder until we reach the line of the torso and control back to our start position. Shoulders down out of ears, pulling through till our elbows reach the line of our torso. A common mistake when people perform this exercise is they will pull, but they will try and use their latissimus, and so their elbow will drop down. This is incorrect. We want to try and make sure we keep our elbow nice and high, pulling through just below shoulder height.